Guess what, guys? Rain, actual rain is on the way. Hey everyone, it's Chief Meteorologist Joe Martucci here at Track 57, and a soaking rain, our first in quite a while, looks to come Wednesday night into early Thursday. Now, the last time we saw at least a ½ inch of rain in any one calendar day at the Jersey Shore, up and down the Jersey Shore, August 7th, and we could be doing that on Wednesday. Let's take a look at our drought situation. We definitely need this rain. We are either in a severe drought or an extreme drought. This is our worst drought since 2002 across the area. Now, as we go into our futurecast, we take a look at a dry Wednesday. Your outdoor activities are okay, but as we go into the night, here comes that rain with a warm front starting between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's going to be a heavy shot of rain at first, and then as we get towards the early morning on Thursday, it's out of here by about 7 a.m. Then you could see a shower at any point during the day on Thursday. I notice Futurecast isn't showing it. It is possible, though. Mainly, it's going to happen after 7 p.m. for the Jersey Shore. And notice that snow even in northwestern New Jersey and in the Poconos here. Snow season will begin as we go into our Thursday, and then Friday will be dry across the area. Now, one thing I will say is if you get to the northern part of the shore, if you're in Monmouth County, let's say, you could be talking about 3/4 of an inch. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a little bit of rainfall flooding, and here's why. We take a look at how dry our ground is. Super dry, really near historical lows. And since the ground is so dry, that water is not going to get soaked into the soil immediately. It's just going to run off like a dry sponge would. So I do think there's some areas of roadway flooding at the northern part of the shore where we do see more rain. The other thing we have to talk about are the winds here. It will be a gusty couple of days as we get into this cold season weather pattern here. From Thursday all the way to Saturday, we're looking at gusts that get up to 30 or 35 miles an hour at the shore, and then 25 to 30 miles an hour once you make your way west of about the Garden State Parkway or so. Now, winds will be from the north and west on Thursday and Saturday, but from the west on Friday. That's important to keep in mind. But it's all an offshore wind, no coastal flooding with this. Let's take a look at our numbers here. We'll get into our Wednesday morning forecast. Temperatures rising into the 40s here with your bus stop forecast. We have a good amount of cloud cover around. We'll see thickening clouds on your Wednesday. A storm will be coming. Temperatures will peak in the low 60s or so, which is on the upper end of seasonable for this time of the year. Then we get that rain, and the winds will increase as we go into Wednesday night, starting 8 to 10 p.m. It's going to be a good soaker for a few hours here. It ends by the time the sun rises on Thursday, and then we're talking about a chilly, breezy day with high temperatures only in the low to mid-50s here, so cooler than our Wednesday. And with the wind chills, it'll be feeling like the 40s for most of the day here. We're dry on Friday, and then we'll kick the can down the road to Saturday. We have Rutgers football on Saturday against top 25 opponent, Illinois. I'll be there. Hopefully you'll be there. And we're talking about a blustery fall day, but it'll be a dry one with temperatures in the low 50s throughout. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. So after we get past this rain here, we're going to be cool, but then warm up as we go into the weekend. Sunday is when we turn the corner. We lessen the winds and we warm up, and then we're actually mild as we go into next week. We take a look at the shore 7-day as well. It does look like if you're traveling over the weekend, maybe you're flying out or you're driving out here, no issues, at least in the mid-Atlantic here. Flying out of the airport should be okay. And again, warmer as we go into the early part of next week. Make sure to sign up for our winter weather seminars. We have Facebook events on my Facebook page and on Track 57's Facebook page talking all about it.